Hi, I'm Phil Harris from State Road, North Carolina, and I'm with Harris Leather and Silverworks, and we're saddle makers and silversmiths. We do custom show saddles for people that show quarter horses, and we haul all that around in a International Lone Star tractor and a Featherlight transporter. We had a need for a vehicle that would take our show on the road, our products on the road, to horse shows and take them to the people at the shows. Much like a NASCAR race has to take the race cars to the track, we take the saddles to the show for these folks. And we've been doing this since 1968, so well over 50 years. And I'm the saddle maker, and my brother's the silversmith, and it's a family business. My wife, my daughter-in-laws, my sons, my nieces, everyone in the family is very much involved in this business. Featherlight, we designed this transporter with Featherlight specialty. They built it for us in 2011, and it took about 2 years to design and build and get it outfitted exactly as we need it for our products and our customers to walk in. It's a pop-up shop. It has a big slide on one side. It comes out and has the lift gate on the back, so there's storage overhead like the cars would be, but we can't haul a car up there. It was built especially for us with more room downstairs so that the customers feel the openness of a store rather than to being very closed in. The tractor is a International Lone Star. They have a very unique look, and it's been a fantastic tractor. It has a 600 horse Cummins with an 18-speed Eaton Ultra Shift transmission, and it's fun to drive. It gets a lot of looks. It's not your typical tractor that you see on the road with the customization and things like that. It just has a look of its own. I like the stainless steel fairings on the side. That is an international option on that truck. I don't think they do it on the latest model of them, but it's all stainless steel fairings down the side, and we've added a stainless steel fairing over the twin tanks there on the sides as well. I guess I'm not a trucker by trade. I'm a trucker by necessity for hauling my own private goods and getting them across the country. And that's become more and more difficult as the roads become more and more full. I do use the pre-pass a lot for the way stations, and that thing's been a lifesaver, but I think streamlining that type of process for a trucker would be something that would make their life easier, and it would make my life easier too, not having to stop quite as often. There's some trips that you travel, it seems like you just get out of one way station before you got to go into another one, and I know all the other truckers out there watching this experience it way more than I do, but it's hard to make it easier on the road, and finding parking places, making more and more parking available to trucks and truckers for the sleeping and things like that. That's always a struggle. Every day you have to try to say, where am I gonna find my next parking place? And so they face a lot more struggles than I do, but we're blessed to be able to do what we do and get up and down the road safely, and that's the main thing.